Hello everyone. Hope everyone's doing well. Well, I have this Paclock 150. It's locked. I'm going to attempt to get into him on camera. I picked him once off camera, and the core is loose here. I don't want to say it's a sloppy core, but the play in the core, see how it jumps around like that? That works in a lock's favor when you're trying to pick it. So, let's see what we can get on this thing here. It's a Paclock 150. I believe Starrylock sent this one to me. And I don't know what's inside of it. All the way in the back here. Just pushing. Everybody's springy. Got a little slight turn when I hit one there. Gotta watch that I'm getting some counter. And a click. Another click back there on 4. Springy, springy. Feel like I overset one there. Really bouncing around. Trying to get underneath here and get one without knocking the tension wrench off. I tried to pick it with the bottom of the keyway tension on. With this core bouncing around, I couldn't tell any feedback whether I was getting counter rotation or what. So I went to the top of the keyway, which I was about to lose. I had to really push up. All right, there we go. I had to really push up on 4. Right. That was a fun one. Yeah, when those cores move around like that, even if it's a high tolerance lock, it's more difficult to pick because that thing just jumps up and down. I think it's not like the Bible or anything is messed up. I think it has more to do with how well they fit the actuator to the lock mechanism back there. If there's a lot of slop in there, sometimes this can be a little bit loose, but we'll find out. Uh-oh. We'll call on Alan. Gotta call on Alan. Where are you, Alan? We need you. Is that the right one, or is he too big? Too grande. This will be the right one. I'm gonna move this down here. We can see what the hell's going on. We're over here. And is he zoomed out? Why is he so zoomed in? Why am I asking you all these questions? You don't. Whoa! There's the camera. Can't tilt him too far forward. Idiot. Alright, let's move this vise back. I guess this is going to be our area over here we're going to mess around with. I guess that's what's going to happen. Thread locker in there. Yeah, I've got one challenge lock left, and it's Albert LaBelle's. I mean, I got a lot of them that I picked, but I only got one left that I haven't picked. It's an Albert LaBelle challenge lock called Hateful, I think is what it's called. It is a hateful lock. It just hates me. Doesn't want to cooperate. I don't know why. I've had locks like that that just refuse to open. Alright, we're going to need a tray of pinning, or a pinning of trays. I'll take this Trackmaster here. Scoot all of you guys that don't need to be here, scoot back. Oh, that was nice. Here we go. Put you in there where you belong. Put you in there where you belong. Put you in there and you in there. And you will need to be in there also. Right. Oh, and I got a new gut wrench. So, we shall try this out. We shall try this out. It shall be my very first gutting with my gut wrench. I've got a gut feeling that it's going to be perfect. Alright. You just got to select your gutting size, which I believe is this one. I watched Lock Noob did a video on using his gut wrench also. I watched that. Obviously I didn't learn anything. I know these are little cylinder holders once you have success. Alright. And this is to help you press them back in. Alright, so we got this little ledge here. And you're supposed to catch that ledge on the end of this washer here. Struggling. I'm about to go back to my old standby pair of pliers. I think these are too thick for this. I don't know. All this shall be probably edited because I'm having zero success with it. There we go. I kind of just pushed on the edge of it there. This thing will work, you just got to get used to it. Alright, let's put the key back in. Shall we? All these black specks on my hands here. Turn it perhaps this way. Get a shimmy this. Which I have conveniently left in here on the tray. Shimming complete. Uh-oh. I believe the follower I need is being used by another one. No, we got lucky. We got lucky. Alright, let's go. Proceeding. Success. 6 pins. Give me that. All of them need to be picked. And it's a stock lock, so there's no threading or anything like that then. Alright. Where are my tweezers? I need my tweezers. Here they are. I don't like this angle here. We need to change the camera without dropping it. Let's see if we can do that here. I'm not feeling very confident. Move out of the way. That's why. Everybody's in the way over here. There we go. Kind of down like that. Looking down on everything. Right. Start with pin 1. Standard. 2 is serrated. 3 is serrated. 4 is standard. 5 is standard. 6 is standard. The standards are on the small pins. And the ones that have serrations only have 2 serrations. Pushed you around here. People have got things to do. I don't know what you're dilly-dallying about. Right. Get over here. Pull my shim out, who's done a stunningly well job. Uh-oh. I'm trying to remember which way when I went with this. I believe our alignment will go like this. Yes. Yes, we have success. It's got this cut out here. I just wasn't sure. Alright, let's get where everybody can see it. Do not go flying all over the place. Pin 1 looks to be a standard. I'll leave the springs in there and pop them out later. Pin 2 is a serrated. That's what I felt more. Oh, that's what I felt more than anything else. Was serrations. There may be one spool in here. Another serrated. And then again, there may not. I thought I felt a spool. There we go. There's a spool. Spool in number 4. Another spool. Number 5. Get. That's pretty cool. They use the spools in the 5 and 6. They use the spools in the deep chambers, which is good. All right. Steel springs. Whee! We'll pull this over here, and then we've got to make it all nice and neat looking. Uh-oh. Spring's trying to mate. I'm not going to have that, mate. Right, put them over there. I think I can even do this. I can probably do a little tiltage. Just got to remember everything on my tray is going to fall off when I tilt it. But tilt and zoom. Right, so in pin 1 is standard with a standard driver. Pin 2 is serrated, another serrated on top of him. Pin 3 is serrated with another serrated on top of him. 4 is standard with a spool. Hey, no tilting, don't over tilt. Standard with another spool, standard with another all steel springs. And our core is not threaded or anything like that. Nice core, not skeletonized. I like to see that. Our Bible has keychain slots where we could rekey it easily if we wanted to, and no threading. So, thank you for watching the dissection of the Paclock 150. You pick and dissect. Happy picking, everyone.